Okay, here's a boat, original. It's a TMY boat, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, this is relatively rare. It's got twin motors, twin horseshoe motors. It's probably from 1949-50 right in there. It's got lots and lots of hardware. I just got through totally restoring it for a customer. Boat was pretty rough when I got it. And anyway, had to polish up all the fittings. I put a new old stock bow light on it. And the bullet lights, they're brand spanking new, along with the switch. All the vents and everything else polished up real nice, so I didn't have to replace those. I did put a rudder on it and the props, because they were just too corroded. Anyway, you're going to see inside, two brand new motors, because the originals were junk. They ran okay, but then they quit. They were all rotted out inside. So I put two brand new ones in there, polished them up. All brass contacts, everything's all polished up to look real nice. Everything comes off. This comes off so you get the batteries in and out. See the contacts. She's a beautiful boat. Now you want to see her run. Go forward. Hold the bow light. Now, and then we'll go. That's a new old stock switch, but they're still fussy. They still are fussy. Anyway, you can see a little bit of shot of the motors that are all polished up. I put all brand new contacts, screws, cleaned the whole inside of the boat, rewired everything. It's a really nice boat. Really nice. Let me put everything back together and I'll start it up for you. Give you an idea how she looks. It's a pretty boat. Got the twin motors, which is rare. And a reverse. And the light up there too. Redid the seats, redid everything on this boat, painted it, repainted it the correct colors, polished up everything. You see the original fittings, they cleaned up really nice. The bow light's new old stock and it looks, and the fittings look just as good. It's a pretty boat. Oh, I did add one of my windshields. And anyway, there she is. You can see all my boats on rccraft.com, or on YouTube. You see a whole bunch of them. And thanks again for your kind comments. Have a nice day.